Wine lovers are turning to new technology with the eCellar 185, a smart wine cellar that holds up to 185 bottles. With its connected smartphone app, owners can easily manage and access their wine collection from anywhere. The eCellar 185 is equipped with 12 sensors that quickly detect bottle additions and removals, making wine organization a breeze. You can control the temperature inside the cellar, adjusting it between 5 to 20 degrees Celsius to suit different wines. And an activated carbon filter keeps the air clean to protect both young and aged wines. One of its standout features is that it operates without vibrations, which is key to preserving wine quality. In addition to its functionality, the cellar's triple glazed doors offer UV protection, keeping your wine safe from harmful light while adding a sleek, modern look. The eHang 216 is a cutting-edge flying vehicle built for city travel, created by the Chinese company eHang. It's fully electric and doesn't need a pilot. This high-tech drone is designed to carry 2 passengers, taking off and landing vertically, VTOL, making it perfect for crowded urban environments. What sets the eHang 216 apart is that it flies itself, using advanced flight systems and smart sensors to guide the way and keep everyone safe. No human intervention is required. Its compact size and ability to soar above busy streets make it a fantastic option for getting around cities quickly. Plus, since it runs on electricity, it's environmentally friendly, producing 0 emissions. The eHang 216 is a big leap toward the future of urban transportation. It helps cut down on road congestion, reduces pollution, and offers a fast, safe, and futuristic way to The EcoFlow blade is being called the world's first fully autonomous robotic mower that not only cuts your grass, but also sweeps it up afterward. This smart mower doesn't need any wires to define its boundaries. Instead, it uses cutting-edge LiDAR technology to sense its surroundings. It even has a built-in camera that spots debris like twigs and leaves, collects them in its own bin, and then automatically dumps them in a chosen spot. The battery lasts up to 240 minutes and recharges in just 130 minutes, allowing the EcoFlow blade to mow and sweep an area of up to 300 square meters in an hour. You can also adjust the cutting height between 20 and 76 millimeters, making it suitable for all kinds of lawns. In short, the EcoFlow blade makes lawn care easier by combining mowing and cleaning in one sleek device. The EC2D is a handy inclinometer designed to measure slope and tilt accurately. Some versions even include a built-in compass, adding to their usefulness. Take the Hageloff HCC clinometer, for example. It provides fantastic accuracy, measuring tilt to within 0.2 degrees. This device is powered by 2 standard AA batteries, making it easy to find replacements, and it weighs just 50 grams, so it's super lightweight and easy to carry. At a price of around $256, it's a great investment for anyone who needs reliable measurements, whether you're working in construction, forestry, or handling DIY projects at home. With the EC2D, you can tackle any project with confidence, knowing you have an accurate and portable tool by your side. Eilic is a charming little furry robot with big eyes and a wide range of emotions. He comes equipped with a built-in touch sensor, allowing for interactive play. When you touch his head, he responds with a happy expression, and a gentle poke on his stomach makes him look surprised. If you pet him on the back or head, he purrs, adding to his cuteness. Eilic is also equipped with various sensors that help him engage with his surroundings. He can detect light, sound, and movement, making him aware of what's going on around him. Plus, he can recognize other Eilic robots, allowing for fun interactions between them. This delightful robot is perfect for anyone looking for a low-maintenance companion, making him a great choice for people of all ages. Whether you're a busy adult or a child wanting a playful pet, Eilic offers all the fun of a pet without the usual responsibilities. The ES30W solar panel is a fantastic tool for campers and outdoor lovers, designed to keep your devices charged and serve multiple purposes. With its 30-watt solar cells, it efficiently captures sunlight to power your gadgets wherever you are. This panel is super flexible. Just attach it to your backpack or camping trailer to soak up the sun's energy. When you're not using it to charge devices, it cleverly folds out to become a handy table. Its surface is protected by a durable PE film, making it resistant to acid rain and salt water, so it can handle various weather conditions. Plus, it's built to be extra strong, scratch-resistant, and rust-free, ensuring it lasts through sunny and rainy days. In short, the ES30W solar panel offers great functionality and toughness, making it an ideal companion for your outdoor adventures and a reliable way to keep your devices powered up. For just $30, you can make your mornings a little more special with coffee and cookies, personalized with fun designs. This adorable printer lets you print directly on your food and drinks, adding a creative touch to your daily routine. It's super lightweight, weighing just 255 grams, making it easy to carry or store on your kitchen counter. What's even cooler, the EvoBot is a cutting-edge robot designed to handle heavy loads with ease, thanks to its advanced balance system based on reverse pendulum theory. This technology keeps the robot stable and upright, even when it's carrying heavy items, which means it won't strain its back or spine. Its stability also makes it perfect for navigating rough terrains like hills and slopes. This makes the EvoBot a versatile tool for various industries, including warehouses, logistics, and shipping. It's built to improve safety and efficiency, making tasks like moving and handling cargo much smoother. While the EvoBot can be a great helper, some people might find it a little intrusive at times. Created by Goodyear, this innovative robot is designed to enhance productivity and safety in challenging work environments. With its smart balance and ability to handle tough conditions, the Exit Fire & Go is a compact grill that delivers big results without the bulk. Weighing just 19 kilograms, it's much lighter than most traditional grills, making it super easy to take anywhere. This portable grill folds up nicely for convenience and runs on batteries, so you don't need to worry about finding a power source. It uses a pellet fuel system, giving you consistent heat with a wide temperature range from 71 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius. This means you can slowly cook a juicy steak or quickly grill up burgers, all with the same small but mighty grill. Whether you're heading to a tailgate, camping, or just want a hassle-free backyard barbecue, the Fire & Go is ready to go wherever you are. It's designed for those who love grilling on the move, making outdoor cooking both easy and enjoyable. Festo, a German company famous for its cutting-edge robotics, has created a robotic bee to join their lineup of mechanical insects, which already includes spiders, dragonflies, and butterflies. What's even more exciting is that engineers are teaching these bees to fly in swarms. Right now, they can manage groups of up to 10, but imagine seeing hundreds or even thousands of these robotic bees flying together one day. While it might take a while to reach that point, since each bee is carefully handcrafted, the current technology is still amazing. These robotic bees are lightweight, weighing just 34 grams, and have a body length of 22 centimeters with a wingspan of 24 centimeters. Their wings can even tilt 180 degrees forward and backward, making their flight super flexible. Powered by a small electric motor, each bee's movement is carefully tracked and controlled by a computer that monitors their flight paths in real time. Fjorden is an accessory that makes iPhone photography easier by adding classic DSLR-style controls. While iPhones have great cameras, they can sometimes be tricky to use for serious photography. Fjorden solves this by giving you more control, and it's already gained a lot of support on Kickstarter, raising over $500,000. The accessory comes with a wheel to adjust settings like shutter speed or white balance, a two-step button for focusing and taking a shot, a zoom switch, and a customizable button. It's powered by a small CR2032 battery that can last up to a year. Plus, it connects via Bluetooth and comes with a free app to enhance your photo-taking experience. Fjorden gives your iPhone the feel of a professional camera, letting you capture photos with more precision and control. For those serious about mobile photography, this accessory is available for around $160. Foldable smartphones are a modern twist on old flip phones, combining compact size with impressive features. Picture unfolding your phone to reveal a large, tablet-like screen. Perfect for watching movies, playing games, or handling work tasks like spreadsheets and presentations. This bigger screen boosts your experience, making it easier to enjoy content, work from anywhere, or get creative on the go. However, foldable phones aren't just about having more screen space. They strike a great balance between being portable and functional. When folded, they easily fit into your pocket, so you don't have to carry a bulky tablet or struggle with a big phone in your hand. This makes them super convenient for everyday use, keeping you connected and productive wherever you are. As technology advances, foldable smartphones are becoming more affordable and durable. The future fire truck is revolutionizing the way we think about firefighting by incorporating advanced technology with a focus on sustainability and safety. As urban areas expand, these fire trucks will be powered by electric or hybrid engines, reducing emissions and minimizing noise, essential for quickly navigating busy city streets. These innovative trucks will come equipped with autonomous driving features and AI-assisted controls, which help plan the fastest routes and improve navigation. This means they can get to emergencies even faster. Plus, they'll use drones and robotic arms to gather real-time information, giving firefighters valuable insights to make quick decisions on the scene. By embracing this modern approach, the future fire truck not only aims to boost firefighting efficiency, but also emphasizes environmental care. Managing all those remote controls and apps can be a real headache, which is why a team from China created the G-Knob. This smart device puts all your controls in one easy-to-use unit, making home management a breeze. With the G-Knob, just a simple twist lets you adjust the temperature, lighting, curtains, and even set the mood around your monitor. You can choose to mount it on the wall or use it on a tabletop with a handy base, giving you flexibility in how you use it. One of the coolest features is that the G-Knob automatically detects nearby smart devices and displays them on its screen, making setup super easy. It works perfectly with popular smart home systems like Alexa, Google Home, and Matter, so you can control everything seamlessly. And the best part? The G-Knob is budget-friendly, starting at just $40. Gladiator Gear Track Packs are a smart solution for organizing your garage by using wall space. Instead of leaving tools like wrenches, hammers, or even guitars and amps scattered around, GearTrack helps keep everything tidy and accessible. The system includes wall panels with customizable hooks, which can be easily adjusted to fit your needs. From simple J-hooks to stronger, heavy-duty hooks, the setup can hold a variety of items, even a dumbbell, as long as it's securely installed with the provided self-tapping screws. Whether you need a standard or extra-large panel, Gladiator offers both options, so you can choose what works best for your space. GearTrack makes it easy to turn your cluttered garage into an organized and efficient workspace. Meet the GoSun EV Solar Charger, a 4x4 feet box designed with cutting-edge solar technology that expands to 4 times its size when your vehicle is parked. In less than a minute, it unfolds to deliver 1,200 watts of solar power, offering the best power-to-weight ratio ever found in solar tech. This is enough to meet the average daily electric vehicle, EV, driving needs, around 20 miles a day. Not only does this solar charger extend your vehicle's range, but some GoSun owners may even become self-sufficient, rarely needing to charge their EV or plug-in hybrid from the grid. Everything you need is packed in a low-maintenance, aerodynamic box that ships straight to your door. The durable, flexible panels absorb maximum sunlight, allowing you to charge your vehicle just by plugging into the standard charge port. The green Ligi1 VersiTour, priced at $16.50, is a cordless handheld cable puller designed to make your work faster and easier. It comes with a universal head that adjusts to fit pipes ranging from 12.7 millimeters to 100 millimeters, with 5 different positions for the best fit. It's perfect for pulling cables up to 22 millimeters in diameter and can handle a heavy pulling force of up to 554 kilograms. Powered by an 18 or 20-volt battery drill, this tool helps you get the job done up to 68% faster compared to doing it by hand. No more struggling with manual labor. This puller lets you work more efficiently, saving time and effort. Though it's priced at $964, the investment pays off quickly with the amount of work it saves. This is a powerful tool for anyone in the trade, helping to complete projects faster and with less strain, giving you more time and energy for the next job.